Hey, and welcome to 2241 East Nora here in Springfield, Missouri. Wait till you see the kitchen in this great home located in the Hillcrest School District. It has 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and the kitchen has been just really nicely updated. We've got a nice front porch here. Look, here is the living room. It does have really nice hardwood floors. Has been painted. These are still some of the darker colors, but it has been updated there. We have stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, and this area is a separate dining or second living area. We've also updated that patio door here, so it no longer has that cloud. It's looking great. Here's the backyard you can see. Got a patio for the summer barbecues. Really nice cabinets. They have a lot of pull-outs. It's got under cabinet lighting. It's got the stone backsplash. Here we'll kind of show you some of these cabinets. They have pull-out drawers. Just very convenient to be able to get all the way back in there. Here is where your washer dryer is, as well as your furnace and water heater. Right here off of the kitchen. It's got the flat top stove, microwave, side-by-side refrigerator. Come on down, and this is the main bathroom. We do have new lights up there. It's got the water-saving toilets here. Have shower doors, glass ones right there now. Just haven't had a chance to get the new video done, but wanted to go ahead and show you this one. It does have nice soft carpet in all of the bedrooms. Second bedroom. It does have ceiling fans in each of the bedrooms. And here is the master bedroom, and it has double closets. Lots of closet space in this home, and it also has a half bath ensuite here in the master bedroom. Have 2241 East Nora in Springfield, Missouri. We look forward to seeing